In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic check-ins for your project in Basecamp. This is a particularly helpful feature to keep your team organized and on track with their tasks, while also facilitating clear communication without the need for constant back-and-forth emails or meetings. We'll walk through the entire process of setting it up, from ensuring your tools are correctly configured to creating and scheduling the right questions for your team. Let's kick things off by looking at your Basecamp project. First and foremost, make sure that the automatic check-ins tool is activated. This can be done in just a few clicks. Navigate to the three-dot menu often found on the top right of your Basecamp project screen. You're going to either see an option labeled Change Tools or Set Up Tools, depending on your current settings. From here, simply switch the toggle to turn on the automatic check-ins tool. This will make the feature available within your project, ready for you to customize and use. Once activated, go ahead and open the automatic check-ins tool. This area is where the magic happens. You'll find yourself looking at an interface designed to help you gather insights and updates from your team automatically. Now, you're ready to add a new check-in question. There should be an option to create a new question. This might be labeled as plus new question or something similar. Click on this to get started. Here's where you get to tailor your check-in to suit your team's needs. First, think about the question you want to ask your team members. Try for something that prompts clear and thoughtful responses. For example, consider asking, "What will you work on this week?" This type of question encourages planning and commitment from your team. After you've decided on your question, determine who should be asked. You have the flexibility to ask everyone involved in the project, or you may choose to direct the question to specific individuals or subgroups. Select the option that makes the most sense for your project needs. You'll also need to set the frequency of the check-ins. Decide whether you'd like these responses daily, weekly, monthly, or even on specific days that suit your project timeline best. Finally, it's important to specify the exact time you want these questions to go out. Basecamp allows you to set the time according to each user's local time zone, making the process seamless and considerate of your team's diverse locations. Once you have all your settings in place, don't forget to save your work. From this point onward, Basecamp will handle the rest. At the scheduled time, notifications will be sent out to the selected people, prompting them to answer the question. Their responses will be conveniently collected in one location within your project, keeping all the updates organized and easily accessible for your review. That's the whole process. Setting up automatic check-ins is a fantastic way to keep everyone aligned and informed, pulling together all necessary updates into a simple, efficient system. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your Basecamp projects.